Do you know you can add your own personal sound to your video in CapCut? Yes, you can add a sound from your device to your video in CapCut. Come close, let me show you how to add a sound to your video. I have a video on how to create your own unique sound and post on any platform. You will not have any copyright strike. So now come on, let me show you how to add sound to your video. Open your CapCut, import the video that you want to add your sound to. So once you import, already I have my video in CapCut. I was working with on the video already, so I have in CapCut. I'll open that my video, then I'll click on audio, then I'll click on sound. It will now open to this next page where you can add songs from CapCut. CapCut also have songs you can add to your video, and some of them are free. I've not used it, so I'm seeing free on it, which indicates you can use it without any copyright claim. So you can go ahead to scroll and see the free ones and maybe choose any sound you like. But for this tutorial, we are adding music from our own device, like your own personal music. So you click on this file icon. Once you click on file icon, you click on device, then it open up to your device and the sounds in your device. You scroll to the one you want. For me, I'll scroll to the one I generated specifically for myself. Like I created that sound for myself to use for my videos, so I don't worry about copyright claims and all that. Then you can play the song and choose the one you want. Once you play the song and it's the song already you've selected, you can click on the plus button and it adds automatically to your sound. Now the good thing is, depending how long your sound is, you can now go to when you add it to your sound and reduce the length to where you want it to start from. So like now I've added it, I click on my plus button, I've seen the song I want to add. Once it enters to the video, now you can now play it. You play it along as it goes, and you can edit out, like split, click on your split and cut out the part you don't want. So now this way you can have sections of where you want your song to start from. I know you get what I'm saying. You can have sections from where you want your sound, the specific where you want the specific music to start from in your video. So that way you can tailor it to, maybe if you have a specific sound to the reaction, you just click on that split and you split that section and you delete that part. Then you press and hold and drag it to the beginning of your video or any part of the video where you want the music to start playing from. So if you're doing a reaction video where you want a specific sound that corresponds with your reaction, this is also how you go about it. You just cut out the part you don't want, then drag it to fit that particular scene where you want the sound to start from. So this is how you add your sound to your video, your personal sound or any sound you've downloaded in your phone. You can add it that way to your video. Then you can go ahead to play it, and if it fits, then you go ahead to export your video and use it and upload on your platforms. So this is all for today. If you've enjoyed this video, why not like, why not follow, why not share for others to benefit. Thank you for watching. Bye.